Good morning. We are from CSCB of Team 10. Our project name is Light Alert System. Our problem statement is manual monitoring of light intensity in homes, industries and classrooms leads to energy wastage, improper light conditions and difficulty for visuality impaired individual. There is a need of an automatic system that can send a notification to the manager. Now Nihal is going to explain about existing solutions.
So we have basically three types of existing solutions. One is manual light sensitivity, and another is maintained basic light systems, and third one is systems control light systems. Basically, manual light switching is it requires human intervention. We have to turn it off by ourselves. And the second one is other results in light work, light run, accuracy. And the second one is motion-based lighting systems. In motion-based lighting system, it detects the presence of light and it directly turns it off. And it don't react to any particular person to turn it off. And the third one is smartphone. Basically, we have an app to do this, and it controls the via apps to far away.
My name is Adip. I am now saying about a project gaps in existing solutions, no notifications or alert system to inform the user.
My name is Vamshi. Today I am telling about the proposed solution. Our light alert system is using to the light depending register to the sensor light intensity. It selects the user throughout the buzzer or mobile notification when the light is level cross the threshold energy, or the system can be customized for the different environments and innovations, real-time monitoring or low-cost hardware implementation.
My name is Sayama Mehtabi. So we use like hardware Arduino Uno, LDR sensor, buzzer, Wi-Fi module, breadboard, connecting wire, and we use software.
Here we have LDR in this small house, and here we have connected LDR with the Arduino. Here we have Wi-Fi module which is connected to the laptop, and Arduino also connected to the laptop, which helps to send message to the mobile user. This is the code we are using to run to send the message to the so now we are going to show the process how it working. So if you put flash on, so it has more frequency than normal light, so it will send a notification. See, light is on, please check. So you can go and off the light if get the message.
1.
Now we are going to discuss about advantages and disadvantages of this project.
And I am telling about advantages of this project. Energy efficiency, automatically adjusting lights reduces energy consumption by turning off or dimming or sufficient natural light is available. Constant lighting conditions maintains optimal lighting for comfort, productivity and safety, especially in workspace or educational environments. Enhanced accessibility provides alerts or adjusts lights for visually impaired individuals, impairing the navigations and comforts.
Now to tell about disadvantages. Initial cost, installation of sensors, control units and integration into existing systems can be expensive. And second one is maintenance requirement. It requires more maintenance than other projects. And technical failures. It has many technical failures, so that it needs more maintenance. Thank you. Now at last I would like to conclude that an automatic light intensity monitoring system offers a smart and efficient solution to manage lighting in homes, industries and classrooms by reducing energy wastage, ensuring optimal lighting and supporting visual